So this is how you have to get. Okay, so this is inner join. Only the combination things we will get. Okay, not no null values, nothing like that. Only matching things will get. So I'll try to do a inner join now. Only three records we have to get. So this is students two. This is students two. This is students two. That one. See, we got Alice mathematics, Bob physics, Charlie chemistry. Okay. Now come here. Now if you see here, let us go to one more join, guys. What is that one? We had seen inner join. Okay. So let us see full outer join. Okay. So let us see. So we had seen left join. We had seen right join. So let us see. We had seen inner join. Okay. Let us see full outer join excluding inner join. So full outer join excluding inner, or else we shall go left join excluding inner join. Okay. Left join excluding inner join. So we have the code for that one. Left join excluding inner join. Okay. So let us go to left join excluding inner join. So come here, I will tell you left join excluding inner join. Okay. So excluding inner join means, so left join excluding inner join. So inner join, so left join excluding inner join. So I'll get only this part. So inner means not this Alice, Bob, Charlie. Okay. So what are there? We have student name. So because these are here, Bob's, Alice, Charlie's 101, 102, 103. So student name, what we have? David. Course name. So student name David 104, but we don't have 104. So what you will get? You will get none. Student name Eve, but we don't have any course name here. So what you will get? You will get null. So we have to get David, Eve, null, null. So this is left outer join excluding this inner join. We are not taking this join, only left join. Okay. Come here. Let us take that one. Left join excluding inner join. Let us take this one. Students 2, students 2, students 2. Connect. See, we get David, null, Eve, null. Okay, so that is left join excluding this inner join. Okay, so now right join, for example, now right join. So right join excluding inner join. We are not taking this one. So inner join means what will have course name. So course name, this maths, physics, chemistry, it comes under inner join. What is their biology? So biology, computer science. If you see here that matching, so biology, we don't have any student name. Computer science, we don't have any student name. Okay, so what we have to get student name? Null, null. So student name, null, null. Course name, biology, computer science. So this should be the output. That should be the output. For what? Right join. So right join excluding inner join. So we are not taking this one, excluding inner join. Okay. So this is the output we have to get. Let us check whether we'll get that output or not. So right join excluding inner join. Change the name of the students. We got null, biology, computer science. Okay. So that is right join excluding inner join. So now what we will see again, we shall see full outer join. Okay. So our full outer join, we shall see full outer join. You have full outer join here. Full outer join. So full outer join means we'll get all the things, guys. So full outer join means we have to get all the things. So all the things like Alice, Bob, Charlie, David, Eve, okay, student names, and we have to get like this. Student name, course name. So we'll get Alice, Bob, Charlie, David, Eve, null, null, and here mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, computer science. Okay, so for 104, 10, we don't have anything. So 104, 1, David U. So here we will get null, null, and biology and computer science. So complete thing, whatever there it has to, we have to get that one. Okay, so outer join. Okay. It had changed almost everywhere. Let us check whether it will execute or not. Why it executed. Okay. So student name David Eve. So for what this we have executed, just to get again. Full outer join excluding inner join. Sorry, this is full outer join. This is not full join. So full outer join means what I told you is full join. Okay, so this one, what I told you, this one, full outer, but what we had executed is full outer join excluding inner join. So this is not there. Okay, so for that, what we'll get is I will write here. So what is our motto? We want to make something like this. So we are removing this one, only this thing we have to get. So this thing means if you see here 101, 102. So these things we are removing. And this things also we are removing. So finally what is removed there? David. So he does not have anything over here. So we'll get null. Eve is there. Null. Okay. So here for biology, you have null. For computer science, you have null. Okay, you don't have any student with computer science. So this is what you have to get. That's what we get. David, Eve, null, 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 biology and computer science. Okay. So this is the join case. And next we have full outer join that is called as Cartesian product, or we have something called as cross join. Cross join is nothing but a Cartesian product. So if you do the cross join, you will get multiple combinations. Students too. Students too. So this is Cartesian product. So EU mathematics, David mathematics and all that is cross joined. Okay. And anything we are missing? We had seen left join, we had seen right join, full outer join, including inner join. Okay. So full outer join, including inner join. This also we had seen. Students too. Students. As well. Outer, there is a problem in execution, but anyway, we had covered almost all the joins. Try to understand this joins concept, guys, using the table. So main thing is make a notes of these joins. So what are the different types of joins? Left join, right join, left join excluding inner join, full outer join, right join excluding inner join. Okay. And inner join, full outer join. Okay, so these are different joins. So why we use these joins is to join different tables. We use these joins, and there should be one common column. Do remember, there should be one common column for joining the two tables. And one more thing, we can not only join two columns, guys, two tables. We can also join three tables also. Sometimes in real term, we need to join three tables. For example, here we have employees table is there, here departments table is there, here projects table is there. If you see here, we have three tables. We have employees table, we have departments table, we have projects table. Okay. So in employees table, we have department ID. Okay. And in departments table, we have department ID. Okay. And in projects table, we have employee ID. Okay. So in projects table, we have employee ID. So I want a resultant table. I want a resultant table where I want name of the employee, okay, which department they are and which projects they are working on. So I want to get such type of information. So we can get such type of informations also. Okay. So we can make a table based upon our requirement. So sometimes we can join three tables also. It's not like always you join two tables. You can join three tables also. So how to join three tables? Okay. So for that, what I'm doing is first let us create a table. Okay. So I'm creating a table with the name employees. Creating a table with the name employees. So employees is already there. So I'm making it as employees 3. So I'm making a table with the name employees 3. Okay. So after creating the table, let me insert some records. So I'm inserting certain records into the table. So employees 3 table. So we had inserted certain records. So select star from employees 3. Let us check the table. Let's check this table. See employee ID. So if it has columns, employee ID column is there, employee name column is there, employee ID column is there. So department ID is there. So employee ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Name Alice, Bob, Charlie, David, Eve. Department ID 10, 20, 30, 4, 20, 10, something like this. Okay. And now I'll create another table. So I'm creating another table. So this time the name of the table is departments. We have this departments already. Departments table is there. I'm making it as departments 1. Make it as departments 1. So I created a table with the name departments1. I'm setting some records. Okay. Now select star from departments. Departments one.
Sir, double S typed, sir.
Yes. Typing integration. So select star from department C. Department ID is 10, 20, 30. Department name is HR, IT, Finance. Okay. So let us build another table. Projects table. I'm building one more table, projects table. So first create the table projects table and insert certain records into the projects. Okay. And next select projects. Select star from progress. Okay.
Select sir spelling.
Okay. So this is the project IDs. Okay, project ID, project name, employee. So this is another table with the name projects. So what is our main intention now? Our main intention is I want to join three tables and I want to get a new table. So give a list of employees, their departments, and the projects they are working with. Okay, so what I want a new table where I want the employees' name, their departments, and the project they are working. If you see here, the project name here in the table projects. Okay, the projects which they are working. If you see, if you see the departments, okay, so departments are in the table departments and the employee name is in the table employees. Okay, so name in the table employees, department name in the table departments. Okay, next project name in the table project. So I want to make these three columns, take these three columns from three different tables and make a new table. So for that, what I have to do, I have to join these three tables and make sure that there should be a common table. Okay, so two tables should have a common thing. For example, if you see this employees table, okay, so this employee table and departments table. So what is there in common? They have department ID column in common. Okay, and next, if you see this table departments, if you see this table departments and this table projects, so there is one column which is in common to each of them, not this table, yes, this table, this employee table and this projects. So what is that one? You have employee ID. So here we have employee ID in this table projects. And again, in that table employees, we have employee ID. So there is a common column. Okay. So make sure that there will be a common thing. So now what I'm doing, I'm joining these three columns to get our respective data. So you can join three columns also, guys. That is what you need to remember. So employees three, I guess. Name of the table is departments is 1. Projects is projects, employees 3. Departments is 1. Employees 3. Department 1. Employees 3. Project is project. Okay. So now run this query. See. We got the desired output. So what is the output? What type of output we want? We want employee name. We want the department name they are from and the project they are working with. Okay. So employee name Alice, HR department working with project here. Employee named Bob, IT department working with project B. Employee named Charlie, finance department working with project C. David, IT department working project D. You, HR department working project A. Okay. So here, what we had done, we had joined three tables. Okay. So we can join these three tables also. Fine. So these joins are very important, guys. So what you do is when you work, okay. So take these joins, create your own tables, okay, and practice all the joins whatever you have. So what I say to you is, so those who are there in the group. So I don't know why today group strength is less, okay, and um, main thing is create tables, guys. Create tables and do this joins. Okay, take two different tables, make joins, three different tables, make join. Okay, get some new data and I'll try to practice and send the screenshots of those things. I want to see what you are practicing. Okay, so that is the concepts of joins, guys. Joining one table, two table, and all. So next concept is we have something called as subqueries. Okay, so subquery means writing a query inside a query. So if you write a query inside a query, that is called as subquery. So sometimes in real term, what happens is with a single query, you can't retrieve whatever the desired output you want. So that time, what you have to do is you have to write something called a subquery. So subquery topic we shall take up in tomorrow's session. So we shall see subqueries in tomorrow's session, and after that we shall see stored procedures and then triggers and then commit, rollback, and then we shall see few other things also. Okay. So that's it for today. So you can leave the session, guys. I'm stopping this recording.